The Supreme Court today said that it would hear the arguments over the Trump administration travel ban in October. The court at the same time said that it would allow parts of the ban that affects 6 mostly Muslim countries to take effect immediately, even while the court has the case under review. President Trump hailed the decision by the court on its last day of the term as an important victory, but immigration lawyers said that it was really rather limited because the ban, as the court is allowing it to be enforced, will not apply to that many people. One of the things the court said was that if you are someone with a bona fide relationship to someone in the United States or to some institution in the United States, for instance, if you have a family member here, or if you have an offer to study at a university or an offer to work for a company, you probably won't be affected. As some of the immigration lawyers cautioned that they would be looking very closely to make sure that there's no repeat of the chaos that ensued when the first travel ban took effect on January 27th, just a week after Mr. Trump became president. At that time, the ban took effect immediately. And this time around, Trump said last week that he would wait 72 hours from the date that the courts cleared the ban to take effect before it was actually enforced. There's a question about whether the Supreme Court will ever actually hear the case that it's scheduled for October. And that's because at the same time that the ban can go into effect, the administration will be reviewing the screening procedures that are used for determining visa applicants from those 6 countries. And the review is supposed to be done, and the 90-day ban itself is supposed to be, will run out before October, which means that by the time the court schedules arguments, the current policy, the current ban won't be in effect, and it's unclear at this point whether it will be replaced by a new policy that might apply to more countries or perhaps is permanent, or both. And it's quite likely that whatever replaces the current travel ban will itself be the subject of court challenges.